Hey, what's up everyone? I am Shafayat from Unlock Therapy. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock your iPhone XS Max so you can use it with any carrier. If you're tired of being stuck with one network, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Is your iPhone already unlocked? First things first, let's check if your iPhone is already unlocked. Head over to Settings, tap Cellular, and then Cellular Data Options. If you see Cellular Data Network there, your iPhone might already be unlocked. An even quicker way? Just pop in a SIM card from another carrier. If it works, congrats, you're good to go. Next up, if your phone isn't unlocked, it's time to hit up your carrier. Most carriers will unlock your phone as long as you meet a few conditions. Your iPhone must be fully paid off. It can't be reported lost or stolen, and you need to be in good standing with your carrier. Give their customer support a call or head to their website to request an unlock. Step 3. Carrier Unlock Procedure. Once your carrier confirms you're eligible, they'll start the unlock process. They'll usually send you an email or text once it's done, and boom, your phone's ready for the next step. Step 4. Backup and restore. In some cases, you'll need to back up and restore your iPhone to finalize the unlock. Here's how to do it. Back up your data using iCloud or iTunes. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Select your device and hit Restore iPhone. Once that's done, you can restore your backup and your phone should be good to go. Step 5. Test the unlock. Now it's the moment of truth. Insert a SIM card from another carrier and see if it works. If your iPhone connects and everything's smooth, congrats, your iPhone XS Max is officially unlocked. Step 6. Third-party unlocking services. Now, if your carrier gives you a hard time and refuses to unlock your phone, you can always try third-party services. Be careful with this though. Some might charge a fee, and there's no 100% guarantee. And there you have it. For more information, you can visit our website, Unlock Therapy. Follow these steps and you'll be able to unlock your iPhone XS Max for any carrier. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.